Hello, I'm Steve Pipe, and I'm absolutely delighted to be working once again with James Stanley & Co. as the keynote speaker for their seminar on the 18th of October. Partly I'm delighted because they're one of only a handful of firms across the world that featuring these two books, the UK's Best Accountancy Practices and the World's Most Inspiring Accountants. And partly I'm delighted because I know that based on feedback from what many other businesses just like yours have said, I know that this is going to be an extraordinarily powerful, an extraordinarily valuable, and an extraordinarily profitable use of a few hours of your time. So can I suggest that you get out your diary now, and whatever is in it for the 18th of October, you rearrange your diary today, because this is one seminar you really cannot afford to miss. And I mean that literally. You cannot afford to miss this seminar. Now, I know that's a huge claim to make, so let me explain why it's true. We're going to be looking together at a case study of how a tiny business, a little business, gets an extra £2 million. Not overnight, of course, it's a 25-year story. But they get an average of over £80,000 in extra cash every year for 25 years. Imagine the difference that that makes. And that's for a very small business. Your numbers could be very much bigger. Imagine what kind of difference that would make to you. How did that little business do it, and how could you do the same? Well, firstly, it's not about property, pensions, financial products, or any other type of investments. Instead, over £1 million of their £2 million came from 8 simple yet overlooked ways to make his business more profitable, and the seminar will show you how to do exactly the same. Another £600,000 came from 6 overlooked ways to reduce his tax bill, his business and family tax bills, and the seminar will show you how to substantially reduce pretty much every kind of business and personal tax bill that you and your family have to pay. And the rest of his extra £2 million, well, that came from us, James Stanley & Co, and us helping him use the 7-step system for getting much better results by making much better decisions. It came from focusing on the 2 ways to transform his work-life balance, one of which also greatly reduced costs, by the way, by making his business much more efficient, and it'll do the same for you. And the 1 way, the other thing we focused on was on the 1 way to get customers paying you in full, on time, every single time. And of course, the seminar will help you do all of that as well. What's more, because we're professional accountants, you know that everything in the seminar is 100% legal, 100% above board, and 100% real. So you'll leave with everything you need to put many hundreds of thousands of pounds, perhaps even many millions of extra pounds into your personal and business bank account. Imagine what that will mean for you, your business, and your family. It's incredibly exciting, isn't it? And that's why I really can't wait to meet you at the seminar. See you there.